Hi guys, today we are going to watch this video to create melting text effect inside Photoshop. This is our text and its font is Quran bold, and we will do this later with the select Ctrl T. I'll use the warp tool and click on the flag mode and drag it down. Now I'm going to go to filters and go to blur and use Gaussian blur and set radius to 1.3 and click OK. Now I'm going to go to adjustment and create some gradients like this using gradient maps. Now I'm going to select the text layer, copy it with Ctrl J, select the layer below it, and right click and press OK and do something like this. Now I select text layer once again and press Ctrl J and select bottom layer again and do something like this. Again I'm going to select the text layer, Ctrl J, select the bottom layer and drag it something like this. I'll drag it something like this using the smudge tool. I will dry it very carefully so that it is not damaged and a very good view can be created. Again, I'm going to select the test layer, go to Ctrl J, and go to filters, select Gaussian blur, and increase the radius to something like this. Now I'm going to select the top text layer and go to blending mode, select drop shadow, color black, blend mode normal and opacity 48, spread 25, size 32 and then click OK. And this is the spinning melting text effect here using the Photoshop. Thanks for watching.